guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're staying at the Premier Inn in Newcastle. Now, in a previous life, this was Newcastle's main co-op. It was also a department store, not just food, and it closed in 2011. Enough of its past, let's head in. We're on the third floor.
Doors closed. Lift going up.
Floor's a little bit grubby, or should I say carpet's a little bit grubby. Apart from that, that's okay. And here we are, 309. This is us. Card in slot. Welcome to the room, and what a big room it is. And by the way, this is a standard. Let's do a bit of a spin around for you. Here's the back of the door with the usual fire info. And we've got a usual deadlock on the door. At the side of the door we have two coat hooks. Next to the coat hooks we've got a little mirrors area with a double socket and shelf underneath and a hairdryer. It does work! Here's our full length mirror. And behind it we have 6 coat hangers and a couple of spare pillows above. Here's our desk with a double socket. And let's not forget the all-important bottle opener. Here's our teas and coffees and kettle. Notice we have transparent cups. Is the kettle clean? Let's find out. Well, yeah, I'd say that looks clean. So what's in the box? We've got a couple of PG tips, 2 Nescafe coffees, and your usual sugar and sweeteners underneath, and 4 milks. Here's our desk chair. It has a few marks on it. Got a large TV above the desk. Oh, that works fine. Here's our bed. How firm is the bed? That feels firm. Pillows seem okay. They feel fine. Let's check the bed and see if we've got a mattress protector. Yeah, we've got one just sitting on the top, and there's obviously a little topper bit on it as well. Mattress seems okay. I'm not seeing any marks so far. It's our usual Silent Night as a stamped. Here's a little stool at the side of the bed, and if I pull it out of the way, you can see there's a single socket underneath. On the other side of the bed you've got this little storage shelf instead, but there's no double socket on this side, or single socket for that matter. We've got a nice big gap underneath the bed to store your suitcases if you like. Under the bed there's also this big bag, which I think is a spare duvet. Yeah, I'm right, it is. As you can see, we have a chaise lounge. This is a bit different. I like how the pattern of the bolster reminds me of the underground seats. In the corner we have this little chair. Next to the chair we have some art on the wall. And we have these amazing windows which just go on forever. When did you see such a huge ceiling as this in the Premier Inn? This lovely angled ceiling that goes right up to the top of the windows. On the side wall we have some art and the controls for the aircon. Here's the aircon. Time to check out the bathroom. Let's do the loo first. That's okay, that's clean. At the side we've got our toilet tissue dispenser. We have a small but clean functional sink. Top of the tap could be a little bit cleaner, but you know, I'm not going to complain about that. And at the side we have a Bale & Harless white tea and neroli hand wash. Here's our large mirror, a couple of spotlights above. The side shelf is fine. We've got a bath shower combo. I must admit I just prefer a shower myself, but never mind. At the side of the bath we've got a towel rail. The bath looks spotless, which is good. Chrome work of the mixer tap is fine. Let's check the shower. There's our shower head. Could be a little bit cleaner. And it's solidly fixed, so you've got no adjustment on it. And here's our body wash. It's the same, just in a different carton, I think. Still says white tea in there, neroli. The tiles are fine and the ground's nice and clean, which is good. At the side we've got a pedal bin. And here's our bath mat. The lino flooring is a bit worn around the edges, but otherwise it's in good condition. Our fan is a bit grubby, could do a bit of a clean. Morning, how are you doing? Well, I've had a shower and that was okay. I'm now going to go head into town in Forage for breakfast. This Premier Inn does have a restaurant, so they are doing a buffet breakfast, but I don't fancy a full buffet breakfast. Plus, I've done enough of them in the past, and I've got a few reviews on one of our Premier Inns I've done, so you can check those out if you want to. So anyway, so I'm going to head off now, and I'll catch you in a little bit. Check out the old Art Deco staircase. I love the old court memorabilia. Sorry. And these wee little men are holding up the banister. Well, guys, let's wrap up with do a quick recap of this Premier Inn. Well, it's an ideal location. It's just really at the side of the centre of town. It's in an area called The Gate. The Premier Inn itself is called The Gate. The Gate is a sort of bar and restaurant and cinema complex area. The room itself was pretty okay. There was a few scuff marks on the wall. At the side of the bed was a big long sort of scuff mark / maybe gash. It's obviously where there'd been a single bed put at some time. Now I was quite happy with the room. Everything worked. Well, I think what you really want to know is what I paid for it. Well, I paid £51 on a Sunday. I hope you enjoyed this little video. And again, as usual, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. And again, thanks for watching.